Dear employee, artificial intelligence comes to replace your job. What to do? Smart technologies are threatening you with dismissal. How do you face it? Start to manage innovations. We invite you to the well-paid project in your current position. You get paid for selling first-time trial products and services. Install a self-service deal kiosk for bargaining, selling samples, and testing goods and services. This artificial intelligence sales agent will assist you in interacting with shoppers and selling promotional items instead of you. Set up a computer that works as a customer service and sales representative. Launch your new business in retail, showroom, reception, or exhibition. Become a business partner with your employer. Do your new commercial service together. Artificial intelligence takes on more tasks and makes responsible decisions for your sales efficiency.